Welcome to my vlog. My name is Belen T. Baciano and
My name is Jamaina Gel.
welcome to my best friend. And ako yung gahapon. Kung anong makeup karon.
Kami
Tutuon na
na.
din natin ng makeup. Ito. This is my sticky face. And this is my blush on. This is container. This is my spray. This is my lipstick. Okay, let's go! So, susugudin natin. Tara! Ito yung first namin. Lagkit ng face. So, this is my... Isa.
Oh my God.
Ito lagkit, guys, okay?
Wala.
Para lang siyang lagkit. Kasi, ito yung bubutang natin. Okay, last.
Oh my God.
Guys, ito na sa dati yung butangan. Dadalhin na natin. Okay. Make
Wala
na.
na
So, next is blush on.
Ito man na aawitin namin. Ito. Spray. Hindi pa klaro. Hindi klaro, guys.
Okay, next is my lipstick.
Ako ba ito?
Sa mukha.
Uy, daan na yan. Sobra ka naman.
Okay.
Ako naman.
Daliin mo yun. And next is this. Ay, wait. This is not this, okay? Hindi yan siya.
Oh my God, lapas chiga. Wait lang, guys.
So, guys.
Wait lang, guys. Nalalapas. Wait lang, guys.
Wait, ating humanin. Natong spray yung kapwa natin, kapatid.
Ako lang.
Okay na yan. And this is my look. And she's look. Okay. This is my